ubomi bunzima, mngana mzovuka ndio zama kusasa. Nevi lilizojika na mflanje ndimu komsungue. The future's bright, the future's mine. Oh, young boy from the east, Kwezi village, to be specific. Like other boys I had dreams, engineer or footballer. Change the situation at home, get it slick. But reality hits, had to adapt, had to play. Now I'm chasing goals, making my own way. Ubomi bunzima, mngana mzovuka ndio zama kusasa. Nevi lilizojika na mflanje ndimu komsungue. The future's bright, the future's mine. 2005 I relocated to the west. 2009 dropped out of our city. Thought I'd go back, finish my diploma, but that same year my granny passed, my hopes were crushed. 2011 my sister left me too. Oh no, I had to move back home, gather new strength, oh. So now ungalilahi itemba, oh, kuzolunga kusasa. Ubomi bunzima, mngana mzovuka ndio zama kusasa. Nevi lilizojika na mflanje ndimu komsungue. The future's bright, the future's mine. 2013 had to come back, start from scratch. Now it's not too late to start over. Everyone's got their own story, but my story can lift you up. So I'll keep pushing, keep grinding away. My testimony's proof there's a brighter day. I'll rise above, let my spirit speak. My story's proof you can make it too. So don't give up, keep your head up high, your breakthrough's near. Don't let it pass you by. Ubomi bunzima,